Is it time to buy or sell Eli Lilly stock? In this video, we will explore Eli Lilly in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2025, our system has identified Eli Lilly as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock suffered a decline of 2.37%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.19% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 2.02% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.02% to 35.25%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -15.15%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -16.40% to +17.3% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $523 and $732. Our latest daily update for Eli Lilly includes the headline, "Red Day on Friday for Eli Lilly." The Eli Lilly stock price decreased by 2.37% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, dropping from $640.86 to $625.65. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline for the stock. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.18% with a low of $623.78 and a high of $656.07. Over the past 10 days, the stock has declined in 8 of those days, resulting in a decrease of 23.01% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically aligns with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 13 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares being traded for approximately $8.33 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $972.53, while its lowest price was $623.78. Currently, the price sits 35.67%, or $346.88, below the 52-week high of $972.53, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Eli Lilly's stock has faced significant headwinds recently, plunging 18% this week alone, amid disappointing data regarding its obesity drug pipeline. Despite strong second-quarter earnings and solid guidance, investors reacted negatively to concerns about the efficacy of their oral obesity treatment, which fell short of market expectations. This reaction echoes the broader trend following industry peer Novo Nordisk's similarly weakened guidance, which further heightened market anxieties. In the short term, this steep decline can create volatility as investors weigh buying opportunities against fears of continued poor performance. The sell-off could also lead to increased scrutiny from analysts and institutional investors, potentially affecting confidence in their broader pipeline for diabetes and obesity treatments. For the long term, while Eli Lilly maintains a robust market capitalization of over $500 billion and remains a leader in diabetes and obesity therapies, the current setbacks raise questions about its growth trajectory. However, analysts suggest that the fundamentals still support potential upside in the stock as the company works through its pipeline challenges. Overall, investors might find themselves at a crossroads. Those looking for value might consider this a dip worth capitalizing on, while others may adopt a wait-and-see approach. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned LLY an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned LLY a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned LLY a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned LLY a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned LLY an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Eli Lilly stock an overall neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Eli Lilly. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Eli Lilly is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $721.46 and $769.75. A break above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, June 13, 2025, and as of now, the stock has declined by 23.64%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, is currently in effect. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 39 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 86 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Eli Lilly. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may face significant challenges in the coming days. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $32.29 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 5.18%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 3.93%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for Eli Lilly, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.22. It is wise to monitor these figures closely, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Eli Lilly. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Eli Lilly is at 640.86. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a good point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader skilled at navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Eli Lilly from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of August, 2025, Seymour Melissa conducted an insider sale of 952 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Seymour Melissa also made an insider purchase of 952 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 1st of August, 2025, Seymour Melissa executed an insider sale of 42,692 shares of common stock. On the 24th of July, 2025, Lilly Endowment Incorporated conducted an insider sale of 63,566 shares of common stock. On the same day, Lilly Endowment Incorporated also sold 102,975 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 218.710. Overall, insiders purchased 8,229 shares and sold 910,031 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Eli Lilly stock a good buy? The Eli Lilly stock presents several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Eli Lilly will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we expect Eli Lilly to open higher by $9.51. Starting at $635.17. We'll remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.